No, it's cool.
I think I showed them to Ozzy. There's like crazy sculpture.
That's like a shitty old.
Yeah, it's really cool.
A lot of people more confused about techno existing and us getting out of there.
Look at this one. That's a saxophone. Like if Gunpig had a robot dog, that would be his robot dog.
Little piece of DVD up there. The snake.
Oh, that's nice. You mean a motorcycle part?
Sure.
Shovels. Car parts.
Unfortunately, you guys never got to see it in full glory. They decided to bring it out proving it. Yeah, but it used to be like full of hippies, like drum circles.
No different.
If you want more, you have. Cosmic trace, that's what it's been right now. Well, actually, the closest. There's also like a cheaper place that's like you choose it, we'll see. There's so many like little bars in there. And like if you want to go in
Yeah, we got it.
yeah.
We can sit on the deck or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Do you want to go in the sun over there?
No.
Okay.
No.
Or we're going to make
Alright. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
You should get a nothing hole.